In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Creating a drop-down menu can significantly enhance the navigation of your website, making it cleaner and more user-friendly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the website dashboard where all your sites are listed. Here, you'll see a menu option labeled Website. Click on this, and then select Edit Site. This action will bring you to the Weebly editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Weebly editor, you'll notice a tab labeled Pages on the top navigation bar. Click on it. This section is your page management area, providing an overview of all the pages your site currently has and their hierarchy. If your website's template doesn't already include a drop-down option, worry not. To create one, head over to the Header settings. Here, you'll need to turn on the Navigation option. This step is crucial as it activates the navigation features on your site, enabling the subsequent steps. Next, you'll see an option to select Drop Down and then Edit Links. This function allows you to begin organizing your site's pages into a drop-down format, which is excellent for decluttering your website's main navigation. Now, it's time to organize your pages. First, add both the parent pages and the child pages that you want under your drop-down menu. Remember, a parent page holds subpages, referred to as child pages, in a drop-down format. To actually create the drop-down, you'll drag each child page slightly to the right so it sits indented under its respective parent page. This slight indentation is Weebly's way of signifying a subpage relationship, and it will appear as a drop-down under the parent page when users navigate your site. Finally, click Done to exit the page management area, and most importantly, hit Publish to apply all the changes to your live site. Publishing ensures that your newly created drop-down menu is visible to your site visitors. And there you have it, a fully functional drop-down menu on your Weebly site. Remember, a well-organized site not only looks professional, but can also significantly improve your visitors' experience. Keep playing around with different structures until you find what works best for your content and audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Weebly editing!